So a few people have been asking to see how the joystick setup works. Again, like the other video, options, controller, edit settings, straight to the bottom, joystick. You've got aircraft and helicopter. Just take aircraft, planes. Scroll to the bottom, you can set your pitch and roll. Super easy. Set pitch forward, and it does both, up and down. Same with roll. Obviously set your fire buttons as well. Just jump into this test server just to show how it works. Fire, flares, nice and smooth. Just to show off the helicopters. Again, nice smooth control. I find it a lot smoother than the mouse.